Today we're going to talk with Penny about why some things sink and why some things float. And what was your guess? Why do you think some things sink and some things float?
Because some things are heavier, so some things go down, and some things are lighter, and some things have air in them, so it floats, and some things don't, so it sinks.
Okay. So we have two things here. We have a penny and we have like a blown up basketball. Little tiny basketball.
It's like a foam ball.
Now, drop the penny in the water. What do you think is going to happen? Do you think it's going to sink or float?
Sink. Oh.
The water, not the floor.
Sink.
Okay.
Oh,
yep.
That went fast. Oh, from here it looks huge.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Cool.
It kind of looks like it's floating a little bit, but it's not.
When you're right
if you look on top.
Water magnifies things. Okay, now, the ball. Do you think that's going to sink or float?
Float.
Okay.
I'm going to just turf it.
Nope, you're right, it does. Now, I want you to kind of gently push down on the ball.
Oh, I know what happened. I'm trying. I've done this.
Is it easy to push it under the water?
No. Let me try with my thumb.
Is it easy or hard?
Hard. Because if you try with just two.
No, that's because the water is pushing up on objects. And when the object is more dense than the surface tension of the water, it sinks. So the penny is denser than the water, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The ball, is it more dense or less dense than the water?
Less dense.
Okay, so the water wants to push up on it. Okay, it doesn't want to let it go down. It doesn't want to let the penny go down. But the penny forced it to.
Yeah, because it's too heavy for the water sometimes.
So the water pushes up on objects, and objects push down on the water.
Yeah, so
and when the objects are more dense than the surface tension of the water, they sink. And when they're less dense than the surface tension of the water, they float.
I got the penny. Wait, I want to put the penny on the ball. I want to put the penny on the ball. I'm trying. It's really hard. Oh, it just fell.
Because why?
Because it's too, it turned, because the ball turns.
The ball turns. Why does it turn?
Because balls need to turn so you can
Well, because it's round is correct. Yeah. But would you imagine that it would have turned on the water, or what would you have thought it would have happened?
It would probably stay, or it would probably stay. What are you doing?